Welcome to MushyTools. In this quick tutorial we are going to have a look at how to make text bigger in Adobe Illustrator. Let's dive right into it. The easiest way to make text bigger in Adobe Illustrator is to simply increase the point size in the character window. Depending on your layout, you can find the character window in different places in Adobe Illustrator. For convenience, in my case, I put the character window here directly next to the canvas. In case you can't find the character window on your screen, you can always choose Window here in the main menu and then scroll down until you see Type and then there select Character and the character window will appear on your screen. Now once you have located the character window, before we actually increase the point size, we have to make sure that the type tool here is selected in our toolbar. You can either do so by clicking on it right here, or you can also press T on your keyboard to equip it. Once the type tool is equipped, make sure to drag over your text so that it gets highlighted. And once that is the case, head over to the character window and simply increase the point value right here to increase the text size. In my case, I will change that to 300. And as you can clearly see now, our text here now is much bigger. Now let me show you yet another way to make text bigger in Adobe Illustrator. This time we are going to achieve this by using keyboard shortcuts. Once again, we need to make sure that the text that we would like to make bigger is highlighted. You can do so by either double or triple clicking on your text. You can use the keyboard shortcut Shift, Command and Dot to make your text bigger in Adobe Illustrator. To make your text smaller again in Illustrator, you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift, Command and Comma. Now in case you're having trouble with these keyboard shortcuts, you can also define your very own keyboard shortcuts to make text bigger in Illustrator. And you can do so by clicking on Edit here in the main menu and then go into keyboard shortcuts. There under keyboard shortcuts, make sure that menu commands are selected and then have a look for the tab called Other Text, open that up. And the option that we are looking for then is Point Size Up. That's exactly the keyboard shortcut that we just used. You can then define your own keyboard shortcut to make text bigger in Illustrator. Once you have defined the shortcut, simply click on OK. And now before I let you go, I would also like you to show maybe my favorite method to make text bigger in Adobe Illustrator, which is by simply dragging the text or let's say the text box. This is something I couldn't figure out for ages and it was literally driving me crazy. First of all, make sure that the selection tool is equipped. You can either click on it right here or you can press V on your keyboard to equip it. Once the selection tool is equipped, click once on your text so that the text box with your text is highlighted. Now in order to make our text bigger by simply dragging the text box with our mouse, one final step is necessary. We actually need to make sure to equip the free transform tool. Click on it here in the toolbar or press E on your keyboard to equip it. Once the free transform tool is equipped, make sure to press and hold Shift on your keyboard, then go into one of the corners of your text box, left click and hold, and then drag with your mouse to make your text bigger. And that's it guys, those are the 3 best ways to make text bigger in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day guys, bye!